Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alda Fernanda Sabila. I'm from graphic design class 4C. Today, I'm going to explain about the process of making Coronachronicles book project that I have, then about making advertisement and last testimonial during the process of making this book. First, the process of making a book. I will explain through the guidebook. My book is titled Creative DIY During Quarantine. So, this book contains ideas and creative steps for items that can be made during quarantine. First step, I look for themes for books by making mind map. From this mind map, I choose the theme of activities during physical distancing or stay at home. Then, I also determine my target audience, that is women college students who like art or crafts. Next, I find out more information about the target audience by determining the demographic and psychographic first. Then, after that, I create a mood board. The third step is make a visual concept. The first thing I made was a mind map, starting with the word Coronachronicles and with the keyword word crafts, female college student, and activities. Then I found tone and manner. There are rustic, modern, and feminine. The next step, I create a mood board, and from here, I find the typography, color bar, key visual, illustration, and example layout that I will use. Fourth step, I sketch manually on paper by using layout challenge. Next, this is explanation. The last step, I made a digital sketch on InDesign. Next is the layout challenge. First, image a subsidiary element because flower illustration on the first of pages become supporting elements that give the impression of elegance and beauty. Mix alignment and one spread. Use align left on the first of page and align center on the recto page. Symmetrical grid. That use grid that on first of pages is a reflection of recto pages. A symmetrical grid. Use grid with verso and recto pages exactly the same. Slow pace, having a lot white space and few elements make this page read slowly. Fast pace has a lot of information so that it has many elements in one spread. Pass part out, on the recto page there is a pass part out layout because it has a border so it forms a frame. Next, I will explain about the print ad that I was made. Here, I make an ad in the form of flyer with A5 size so that it can be distributed in strategic places. But with the current situation, this media can also be spread door to door. Although the price is affordable, but it can contain a lot of information. With my target audience who have ambivert character, so with the situation like now, she will occupy herself at home. With the media flyer spread through door to door, advertisement about this book can be delivered. The concept that I created in this flyer is in accordance with the tone and manner, which is simple, modern, and reliable. Simple is shown by using plain backgrounds and focusing on object. As well as modern, modern has a clean concept and has a geometric shape. And reliable, shown by the sponsors and website address. Finally, I will tell testimonial about making books. During the making of the book, I had several obstacles, that is, look for the step by step that has a good photography. Then, it's rather difficult to find reference books with rustic themes and networks and electricity that often die. Even so, I am happy because I was be able to find many ideas and new steps to make things DIY for my home, and I can learn how to make a book. Alright, that's the end of my Corona Chronicles video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.